Welcome to Cooking with Hay. In this video, I'll be showing you all how to make these really good seafood foil packets in under an hour. So stay tuned as I show you all step by step how I make this good, delicious recipe. So these are the ingredients that I will be using for my seafood foil packets. I have my red potatoes, I have my shrimp, I have some organic broccoli, a lemon, and some corn. I bought all these items from Trader Joe's, and I'll go ahead and show you how I make this nice boil. So I just cut up the potatoes, washed off the corn, and I'm about to boil them both for 10 minutes. And I usually cut the corn afterwards because it's really hard to cut it when it's not soft. So I'm gonna put it in here to boil. Can literally put everything together. I'll be actually combining all of these. So here goes the broccoli, adding in the shrimp. And so you just combined it all like this. And now for the exciting part, I'm gonna go ahead and make the sauce. Okay, so for the sauce, I will be using some butter, probably about that much. This is butter with olive oil and sea salt. I have some lemon juice, some organic lemon juice. So a little dash of that. And some minced garlic. Let me just take a few pieces. I think that's should be good. Some Tony's Creole seasoning I'm gonna add. Some Obey seasoning. And some black pepper. And then I'm going to add a little bit of what I have left, my Louisiana shrimp crab boil seasoning. So just add a little bit that I have left from that. So this is my sauce. I did add some olive oil to it. And so I'm just going to pour it all over. Alright. And then just mix it together like this. Try to like evenly distribute everything so they're equal foil packets. And so I'm about to put them in the oven on 400 degrees and for like 10-15 minutes, and then check on them and see how they look then. So I'm taking them out the oven now. It's been probably like 20 to 25 minutes actually. Let's get a closer look. So this is the final result, and up close to see how it came out. It looks hella good. I'm so excited to eat it. So yeah. So this is my favorite part, the taste test. So you know, I always like to do this at the end of my cooking videos because I'll be ready to eat. So let's see. It's really good. It's really spicy. More spicy than I anticipated, but and I really like the lemon flavor in here. I know I say everything I cook is good, but from the shrimp to the potatoes to the corn, I really did my thing with this. So thank you all for watching this video. I'm about to continue to go in on this food. And stay tuned for more Cooking with Hay videos. And remember to like, subscribe, all that.